Okay, so I want to build a really basic page testing the latitude and longitude. Here comes the sun. The latitude and longitude of your web browser. So it's going to be, like I said, I'm using an example online and we'll walk through it. I'm going to create a new page. And the reason I am going to come back and integrate it into I'm going to come back and integrate it into our weather page. But for now, we're just going to practice with lat long. So I'm going to create a new file called lat long dot html. And I am going to go ahead and copy and paste this example that I found. And we'll walk through it. So it's all on one page. The script is in the body tag just because that's how we're doing it for this example. This is clearly not how we're going to do it for the other example for when we actually use it. But basically what happens is there is a body tag and there is something called your location. And then there's the latitude and the span ID is lat and the span ID is lon. And then it says, it's set to loading to begin with. And then what we do is we check if geolocation is supported. So this is the part that is essentially, there's not really a lot we can do with it except for where we set this. So this is the code, was what I'm saying. This is how you do it. So I'm going to save it. I'm going to upload it. I'm going to go to the server latlon.html. I made it long, didn't I? Long. It's unavailable. User denied. So down here, there's some fixed code, which you can't see. So there is some code. User denied geolocation. So I probably have that turned off on my browser, but let's go ahead and try it on my phone. This is home.week13/lat long.html. Week 13. What did I type wrong? Ah, lat pong. That's not right. Okay, so it comes up. Let's actually just go to this. So it comes up with this error, or this thing. It would like to use my location. So I'm going to hit allow. God. And then it gives me, can you see that? The latitude and longitude of where I am exactly. So that's kind of rad because now I can take this information that I have and I can pass it into this to get data, which will then render into here. So let's go ahead and make that happen. But I want to revisit just so you can see it one more time what it is. Essentially, there is this API, or it's really an object in a way, but it's an API. Navigator.geolocation. Okay. And then we call a method get the current position. And then within that, you put a function if the position is available. That's success. And function if there's an error. So if it doesn't work. In this case, what we're doing is we're just swapping out that text to be the latitude and the longitude dot 256. So what is that? What does that mean? That means, and we've done this with the cart. You know, we had 2fix means how many decimal points that we're gonna have. So that's that. Let's go ahead and figure out how to integrate this into our other page.